I'm gonna show you how you can create a DeepSeek account in just a few seconds. So as you probably know, servers are currently very loaded and there are some errors when trying to create a DeepSeek account. So what I'm going to show you today is the only working method right now. So the process is very simple. I'm gonna leave my account. And to create your account, what you need to do is use SourceArc VPN. Now you can try other VPNs if you want to. I personally have tried two free VPNs and they didn't work, but I tried with SourceArc and it works perfectly. So I'm going to leave you a link in the description below to get it for cheaper and get some good offers. As you can see, it's very cheap and they have a 30-day money back guarantee. So in case you want a refund, you can always ask for it. Now once you have your pricing, now once you have your SourceArc, now once you have your SourceArc Now, once you have your SourceArc account and you have purchased a plan, what you need to do is download the extension. As you can see, I have it already, but to install it, you just need to search for from web extension or the browser you are using. If you're using Firefox, just search for Firefox, then click on the website and search for SourceArc. Okay, and you will see it right here and you can just install it. Now after you have it, you need to open it, log in with your account, and as you can see, you can connect to a lot of different countries. I personally have tried US and UK servers and they didn't work, they were giving me some issues. So I tried with Japan and it worked perfectly fine. So I'm gonna connect to the Japanese server. And once you are connected, you need to go to DeepSeek, log in with Google, then select the Google account where you want to log in to DeepSeek. And after waiting for a few seconds, now you have completely access to DeepSeek AI, which is probably the most powerful free AI at the moment. And you can also disconnect to the Japanese server after you have created your account because otherwise your internet speed will be so slow. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.